The bed's about to break.
Y'all gonna break the end. Wait, watch out your Am I gonna be in the vlog or your YouTube channel?
You want to?
Shout me out.
Dad! It's enough to make a grown man cry.
Good or what? Check it out. What's going on here? You got the whole game.
It looks OG.
Now we put the chrome on.
Dad, let me take you for a drive.
About the whole gang over to check out the Box Chevy. Se aventó el tío. Yeah, we got buff and wax. This thing's gonna shine like crazy.
Shine like Louis Vuitton.
Yes, sir. Open up that door, Isaac, over there. The Caprice. Man, none of them open now?
What is this?
Oh, yeah, open it from this. It's just tape. The front? Yeah, but I don't know why that one doesn't open at all anymore. Yeah. All those little pins, that's where the chrome goes. Saved them all. Paint the door jams. Damn, that's clean. Like even the inside.
I didn't even care about patching anything.
Oh yeah, we're gonna put the vinyl top right here. All the way up to here. Here. Damn. This is in the shade. Imagine in the sun.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, we gotta shine up the chromes.
Yeah, those ones, right?
Yeah. Oh, which one was the bad one over here, right?
Yeah. It had a hole in here.
Dang, it was a whole ass crack right here.
The whole thing right here.
Hey, show them how to turn the old school.
Just try and turn it off.
There he goes, there he goes. Press the gas, press the gas.
Yeah.
Right. You can just fucking take off.
All right, my boy.
Now let me drive it.
Oh, you were able to take off this one?
Yeah, I took it off.
I couldn't take it off.
I cut the bolts, you know.
Oh, yeah?
I got a hammer and a screwdriver. Boom, boom.
Damn, I couldn't take it off, man. Yeah, I was like, fuck it. I'm gonna leave it like that. Got all the bumper fillers in. Huh? You drive it? No, you gotta record. Huh? Are we gonna record? What's going on, gang? Today we're gonna be working on the Caprice. We're gonna be putting back on the chrome trims that go in the bottom and around the wheel, but they're a little messed up, and we're gonna be buffing them. So see how shiny we can get them. So this is how they look right now. I already washed them with soap, and they still have like these stains right there. So what I got is hopefully it works. I've never done this. Mother's mag and aluminum polish, and I got this little polish wheel from like, I think it was like AutoZone or something. I'm gonna see what it does. All right, I put a little bit already on this one, so I'm gonna hit it with the little polisher very lightly. I like this one because it has like that corner, and you could get into like the little corners right there. Now it says to wipe it with Microsoft towel or Terry towel or something. So I got a Microsoft what do they call it? Yeah, Microsoft? Something like that. The Microsoft towel. Oh, it's called microfiber towel. Give it another pass. Alright, you can see the difference already with one pass. Well, yeah, it was like one pass. That's how it used to look, and that's how it looks now. Maybe a couple passes and it should probably be like shiny. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. I already tried like scrubbing them and stuff, and they still stay like stained like that. So I got some of this like quadruple 040 steel wool. I'm gonna scrub it, and then I got some compound. I'm gonna hit it with this quadruple 0 first. Scrub it. You can see it has like the oxidation. I'm gonna hit it with some WD-40 first. Scrub it like this. Microfiber towel. Damn, that already looks pretty clean. I'm gonna hit it one more time. That's what she said. WD-40. Go ahead and spray it. Yeah, it looks a lot better. Alright, these are the ones I already installed, but I didn't really clean them up that good. That's how it looks right now. I'll go ahead and try to polish it up with this. I'm only going to do half so you guys can see the difference. Alright, I don't know if you guys could tell, it did clean up pretty good. So from here to there is clean, and from here to there I still need to do it. But yeah, it cleaned up pretty good. So look at this. That's how this one looks right there, like oxidized. Hit it with this. Starts going away. All right, gang, I'm gonna go ahead and install the rest of the chrome pieces on, and then I'm gonna pull it out to the sun. The car, I mean. The car, I'm gonna pull out the car from the garage so I can see it hit the sun. I'm gonna cut you back on right now. Put it upside down, fam. This way. Damn, what the hell? What happens when you live in Texas, my boy? That motherfucker ready to attack. Sheesh. All right, gang. I installed all the chrome trim already in the bottom. And you still need to fix that mirror right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit the bumper with this too. It's a little bit oxidized on top. But man, it looks a whole lot better with all this chrome. I'm gonna clean up the bumpers and I'm gonna drive it out in the sun so I can check it out. All right, here she is. I still haven't washed it. I just gave it like a quick rinse the day I got it, but I didn't really wash it. Let me know what y'all think. So I already had to put these already. They look pretty good. Missing one screw right there. I couldn't put it on, but I'll figure it out. But man, that shit looks clean. It has a trim to put the top on. What color do y'all think I should put that top? Should I make it like a darker gray, black, white? And the white wall is clean, but that one don't have white wall, so I think it's time for some rims. You guys have any suggestions of rims? Kind of want to look like classic, maybe some Vogues with some spokes. And I'm gonna do something about that grill. I don't know if I should make a custom one or order that the EG grill, whatever it's called. It's like kind of like a Cadillac one, but I don't know. I kind of want to make my own. I still gotta put the trim around there, but all the trim up there, all the chrome that's missing on these windows, I'm not gonna put it on until I put the vinyl top or rack top, whatever you call it, because it's a full top. See, it has the pins right here. That's it for this one, gang. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to see what y'all think I should do next on that Caprice over there. I'll catch you on the next one, guys. All right, gang.